Hello everyone, and welcome to the Easy Cute Draws channel. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow car. Let's start drawing. At first I am going to draw circles for its wheels. Then a line and another wheel here. Now let's draw the body of the car and windows. Now I draw its lamps and then its doors. An exhaust. Now I'm going to use this marker to make this more visible. Let's start coloring. For the coloring of the car, I am going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with yellow on its bottom and dark blue for its tires. I color the back and the front pink and use light blue for windows and red for doors. Then the orange for the lights and green for the exhaust. Now I'm going to add some details and color the ground. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe channel.